Hi, my name is Josie. Today, I am your teacher. We are going to learn English together. Learning English is fun. Today, we will learn the verb to be in the present, past, and future. Let me ask you, do you study English, but the verb to be is still hard for you? Don't worry, many people feel like this, but today, you will be happy and ready to use the verb to be. If you don't understand a word, pause the video and look for the meaning. This is a good way to learn new words. Let's begin our story. During the story, the verb to be will be shown. Like in this example, I am happy. Pay attention. Imagine a farm. The sun is shining. The animals are happy. The farm is big. Each animal has something to teach us. They are ready to help you learn. The farm is full of life. The chickens are running around. The cows are eating grass. The ducks are swimming in a small pond. Everything is calm and peaceful. In the middle of the farm, there is a small pig. His name is Porky. Porky is very curious. He is looking at the other animals and thinking,
Who am I? How can I tell others who I am?
Yesterday, Porky was confused. He wanted to talk to his friends but did not know how to use the right words.
What was I doing wrong?
He thought, but Porky is determined. He says,
Today, I am going to learn how to use the verb to be. Tomorrow, I will be ready to talk to everyone.
The other animals are friendly and want to help. Each one will teach Porky something new. The farm is the perfect place to learn. Now, Porky is ready to ask for help. The adventure is about to begin. Porky walks to the field where the cow is eating grass. She is big and calm. Porky asks,
Who are you?
The cow smiles and says,
I am a cow. I am big and strong. I am happy to live on this farm.
Porky repeats,
You are a cow. You are big and strong. You are happy. Wow, I am learning.
Next, Porky sees a chicken near the barn. She is small and fast. Porky asks,
Who were you yesterday?
The chicken says,
Yesterday, I was scared because it was raining. We were all hiding in the barn.
Porky says,
You were scared. It was raining. You were hiding in the barn. I understand now.
Then, Porky goes to the pond where the duck is swimming. The duck is yellow and funny. Porky asks,
Who will you be tomorrow?
The duck laughs and says,
Tomorrow I will be brave. I will be swimming in the big lake. We will be happy because the sun will be shining.
Porky says,
You will be brave. You will be swimming. We will be happy. I will be ready to learn more.
Porky smiles. He is excited. He says to himself,
Today, I am learning. Yesterday, I was confused. Tomorrow, I will be smart. This is fun.
Porky sits under a big tree to think about what he has learned. He says to himself,
The verb to be is easy when I practice.
He remembers the cow. She said,
I am big and strong.
Porky says,
That is the present tense. I am Porky. You are my friend. We are on the farm.
Next, he thinks about the chicken. She said,
Yesterday, I was scared.
Porky says,
That is the past tense. Yesterday, I was confused. You were hiding in the barn. We were not outside.
Then, he smiles as he remembers the duck. The duck said,
Tomorrow I will be brave.
Porky says,
That is the future tense. Tomorrow, I will be smart. You will be swimming. We will be happy.
Porky feels proud. He says,
I am learning fast. The verb to be is very useful. I can talk about now, yesterday, and tomorrow.
He looks at the farm. The animals are working together.
This farm is a great place to learn.
He thinks,
I am lucky to have such good teachers.
Porky is ready for one last challenge before his day is done. Porky is excited. He stands in the middle of the farm and says,
Now, I am ready to talk. Let me show you what I have learned.
He starts with the present tense.
I am Porky. You are my friends. We are on a beautiful farm.
The animals cheer and say, Yes, Porky. You are right. Then, Porky talks about yesterday.
Yesterday, I was confused. You were also smart, but I did not know what to say. We were learning together, and now I am happy.
Finally, Porky looks at the sky and talks about tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I will be even better. You will be proud of me. We will be great learners forever.
The cow says,
Porky, you are amazing. You understand to be in the present, past, and future.
Porky smiles and says,
Thank you. I am proud of myself.
the story is over. Now, it is your turn to practice. Try to complete these sentences with all the subjects. Write your answers in the comments. I am excited to see what you write. Remember, you are learning something new every day, and you will be amazing soon. Don't forget to subscribe to Josie English and join us for the next adventure. Keep practicing, and don't give up.